Good evening. This is Muhammad Wais Baba, Principal of Maruti Concept School. Orphanage children, Care Warriors Foundation. 19 children are studying here since last year. This is their second year. They are facing a lot of problems connection to education, like books, uniforms, and their transport and academic fee and all that. So in connection to this, grandpa team has visited the school to help these children. I appreciate the efforts of the grandpa team who has voluntarily came forward and taking this initiative to help these needy children. I'm very much thankful to this organization for taking such an initiative. So I'm thankful and appreciate the efforts you have been doing for the children. जिसका कोई न होता है उसका भगवान होता है. You people in the form of God, God has sent you here to help them out. I appreciate you. Thank you very much.
Loving, caring. This is my family.
Good evening friends, I am George Muller from Care Warriors Foundation. I am the founder of this Care Warriors Foundation. I am trying to give them best education and best level things. Because of some financial problem, I could not pay since 2 years. I could not pay school fees. This is because of the situation. I was so struggle. I am in depressed. So many I have gone through many problems. In this situation, I have met grandpa team. I approached them. I told my burden, my pain to them. They are so kind and love. They have come forward and to pay school fees. I am so thankful to grandpa teams. In the right times they have come down. In the right situation they supported me. I am so thankful to them. This is my kind heartfully thanks to everyone, the team members of the grandpa. Once again I am thanks to every one of you. This is not something. These are all my wonderful children. They have been studying in different ways, in different classes, in different stages. So they are now they can go school boldly without any problems, without anything.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am preparing fish biryani. Center रखा काट जाए. Fish. Lemon juice. Turmeric powder. Salt. Red chili powder. Coriander powder. Fish masala. Mix well. Fry the fish now. Oil. Basmati rice 10 kg rice. Cook for 30 minutes. Ghee. Biryani spices. Green chili. Water. Salt. Basmati rice. Oil, onion, biryani spices. Green chili, ginger garlic press, curd, salt, red chili powder, mint leaf, coriander leaf, fish masala, fried onion, basmati rice, fried onion, saffron, ghee, కెవరా వాటర్ 5 రూపీస్. Mint leaves, coriander leaves, yummy fish biryani, super.